Introducing the Studio Tree Headphone and Cable Organizer from Audio Beaver, the simple solution to maximize your recording process. Designed with professionals in mind, it's a game changer for your music production experience. The unit looks great displaying your equipment, and it easily attaches to the side of a desk or table, saving you precious space while keeping your essential tools within arm's reach. Podcasters and engineers love the Studio Tree's ability to store 6 pairs of headphones. And because everyone needs more storage, it can support up to a whopping 15 pounds of audio cables, keeping your studio neat and your creativity flowing. You can also use it to hold cables up off the floor around your desk and chair while you're tracking, or for holding headphone wires up out of the way when playing instruments if they're distracting your clients. There's absolutely nothing else like it. From Abbey Road and Sunset Sound to your home recording space, we'll help you capture the best audio possible. So upgrade your setup with the Studio Tree today and get to work in your new streamlined workspace. Don't wait. Order yours now and experience the difference. Brought to you only by Audio Beaver.